Hi guys, today at Purdue Performance we're going to be installing the DNA induction kit on our Abarth 500. Okay, so the first step is we need to remove the standard air box, which is this section here. This connects down to the turbo and also the pipe running across to the diverter valve which sits down here. We also need to fit the intake scoop which fits up here into the scuttle panel. So the first step is to remove the wiper blades so that we can take off the whole scuttle panel so that then we can fit the scoop. Okay, so this is the intake scoop that fits into the scuttle panel. With the DNA induction kit, you get the template which lines up on the scuttle panel for you to cut and drill the hole that you needed. This is what the hole will look like after. This then fits in there and bolted down with the two holes there. Okay, now we've got the intake scoop bolted onto the scuttle panel. We'll remove the standard air box so that we can refit the scuttle ready for the induction kit to go in. Okay, so to remove the standard air box, we need to loosen off the Jubilee clamps here and the clamps for the pipe running along to the diverter valve. The air box is held in place in two places, here and here, and you can just pull to remove. Now that the air box is removed, we can refit the scuttle panel. This just slots back into place and the original mounting points. We can now fit the induction kit. This side slides onto the original piping that joined to the OEM airbox. The connector pipe goes in between and joins up to this scuttle panel intake part that we just fitted. Now that the induction part of the kit is fitted, we can fit a small filter which goes onto the blow-off valve on the car. This is located down in this area here, where we remove the pipe that run to the OEM airbox. This is what gives you the famous sound which everyone knows and loves from turbo cars. That's all the parts of the induction kit fitted. Now we just need to put everything back together. The lower part of the scuttle panel is already fitted, so we just refit the top along with the windscreen wipers, the covers, and we're all done. And that's how you install the DNA induction kit on the Abarth 500. The kit is available at purdueperformance.co.uk.